Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing and swatching the entire DVOK Once in a Summer Season 4 collection. I'll be showing you every single shade up close, and trust me, you're going to want to see the magnetic pull that some of these gels have to offer. The colors, the dimension in this collection are absolutely beautiful, so let's get into the swatches. So before we jump into the swatches, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this collection. The Once in the Summer Season 4 was inspired by those short little moments of summer, and I feel like you can really see that through the color story. We have beautiful ocean blues, bright pinks, fresh greens, and some of the most gorgeous silvers that almost remind me of sun reflecting off the water. What I also really love about the variety in this collection is that we have gorgeous magnetic shades with such a strong pull, which you're going to see that here in a minute. It's smooth, it's beautiful, they really sparkle. These shades just complement each other and they have some different texture just to kind of tie the whole look together. And then of course the packaging is beautiful. I love how the bottles coordinate with the colors. That's your traditional kind of DVOK kind of bottle. It really makes the entire collection display absolutely beautiful. And then you have that little swatch card as well. But I'm really excited for you to see the true beauty and the dimension of this collection. I will say it's way more beautiful in person. I feel like these colors, no matter how, I'm going to show you what they look like with the flash on so you can just kind of really see just the beauty of every shade. But I really just think this is a breathtaking collection that we got from DVOK. This just might be the best one that we have yet. Again, this is number 4, so there are 3 other summer collections as well, but overall, really beautiful lineup. Now, if you've been eyeing up this collection or wondering if the DVOK Season 4 is going to be for you, this is going to be a great video because I'm going to go through every shade individually so you can see the application and that beautiful magnetic color, and you can get a really good look on all these wonderful colors that this collection has to offer. So let's get into the first one. This color is called Blue Lemon, and it just speaks for itself. Now, the fun part about this collection is I'm going to show you the swatch card at the end because it does have visuals on it where you put like your swatch bead after you paint it onto the swatch card. It has visuals of why the color was inspired to just really just trigger all your senses when it comes to this amazing collection. Now, for this one in particular, it looks good without the magnetic pull as well, but look at that. We have a strong pull here. It is absolutely beautiful. It is blinding. It is reflective. I did cure, and I'm going to show you on this color only what it looks like with 2 coats because I feel like we're starting off with a beautiful just top contender of this collection. This is definitely in my top 4. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you what my favorites are. We're kind of going to rate them as we go. But this one right here, we're kicking it off strong, and I just absolutely love this. So even with that second coat, before we went in with the magnet, look at that, you can still see the first magnetic design that we created shining right under it. You get so much dimension. These polishes are they're just so smooth. They're almost like, it's a very different viscosity. It's a thinner viscosity, so you're going to be able to, if you love like that nuance look, you're going to be able to layer these thinly on a nail. I feel like you're going to be able to do so many different things with them. This color in particular too, you could totally take away all the magnetic, just like demagnetize that nail, and you're going to get a really beautiful watery kind of blue moment. You're going to be able to do so much with this. I feel like this is going to be not only a good color for summer, but absolutely beautiful for those chilly months ahead as well. I can think of like a plaid sweater nail on top of this, or just like some beautiful snowflakes or a little snowman moment. See, you can just kind of gravitate and make each collection whatever you want it to be. All right, so we're going to dive into the rest of the 9 colors here. That was the first one, so there's 10 in this collection total. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with 1 coat so you can get a really good feel on what this collection is going to bring to the table. I feel like endless summer equals endless nail possibilities with this collection, and you're going to see that here after we swatch all of them. And then hang tight at the end of the video. I'm going to show you the beautiful swatch card, and then I am going to show you my top favorite colors. I couldn't just pick 3, so I figured let's just do my top 4. And then along the way on our swatch journey, if you have any colors that are grabbing your attention, let me know in that comment section below. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the swatching. All right, so now that we swatched the entire collection, I have to share with you my favorites. Here we go. So obviously first, that blue lemon took me by surprise. I absolutely fell in love with that one. And then we have Spectrum, which is that beautiful rainbow cat eye. And the aqua rose is just melting my whole heart. I really love just like that blue reflex in here. It's a very magical color. And then we have Korambi. I'm totally butchering that name for the green one. It is absolutely stunning. I really like how it's like kind of like a twist of like a blade of grass mixed in with a little bit of yellow undertone. It's very beautiful. It's kind of like a bamboo kind of green. Absolutely stunning. I don't have anything like that in my collection, but I really hope seeing all these beautiful colors in action gave you a good visual on how beautiful this collection truly is. I just feel like it is absolutely stunning. And again, I feel like this might be the top one for me when it comes to the summer collections because these just are just screaming summer, and the color story is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so everything that you saw in today's video can be found in that description box below. And if you had a favorite color from today's lineup, let me know. And stay tuned. We are going to be doing some nail looks with the Once in a Summer 4 collection, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you all in the next one.